my name is Mayra Santa Cruz. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that is very important in socially the peace deal in Colombia in 2016. The Colombian government and the FARC guerrillas have declared the end of one of the world's oldest wars with the signing of a peace agreement to end more than 50 years of bloodshed. Colombian president and the FARC leader shook hands in celebration. Negotiations in Cuba were broken down several times between the government and rebels. A ceasefire agreement was signed in June. Humberto de la Calle, the Colombian chief negotiator, said that the best way to end the war is sitting down to discuss the peace. The war is over. This is the last one. The President Juan Manuel Santos, who was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize after signing the deal with the FARC. Leaders of FARC have said they now intend to enter in politics. The Colombian president said that as part of the peace plan, FARC will be given 10 seats in Colombia's Congress until 2026. Formal peace talks have been started by the Colombian government and the FARC in Cuba. An unilateral two-month ceasefire was declared by the FARC.
In our Constitution, one of the obligations of every citizen, starting with the president, is to seek peace. And some people think that the peace can be achieved by killing the last member of the FARC. And that is not possible, and this is not the way.
At a peace agreement signing in September, where government officials and rebels shared a stage for the first time in Colombia.
52 years seeking peace, the lead of Colombians against civil war, one of the longest armed conflicts in the world. Timoshenko had a deal that will enable Colombians to ensure the ending of the war and confront our differences in a civilized manner. Now I want to talk about Fragmentos, that is a contra monument made by the artist Doris Salcedo with the guns the government got from the FARC. Peace is possible, but at hope should not be lost. It's a joint construction. Let's build the peace. That